Hello and welcome to Bricksntech, and this is the official unboxing of the Fender Stratocaster. This is the Lego Ideas set number 37, and look at the packaging. It is just beautiful. We're going to start with the packaging. It's a Lego Ideas 18 plus set. The set number is 21329, and it comes with 1074 pieces. Can't believe how good this set is, and we will get to the dimensions in a minute, but this also states choose to build your guitar in red or black. I think I'll be building it in red just for the contrast between the amplifier and the guitar. If we look at the side, it shows it in black, not too much there. You can see a little bit of the detail of the strap. And then on the back, got the red in the background, the black in the foreground. And here, 4 inches, 11 centimeters by 14 inches, 36 centimeters. The 36 centimeters is the height. And just to give you an idea, here's a 30 centimeter ruler. This box is 30. We'll go this way. Is about 38 centimeters tall. So the guitar itself is going to sit nearly the same height as the box, and it's a fairly decent sized box, so that's going to be a great display height. I can't wait to get into it. The red guitar on this side. All right, let's open up the see now how many packets it comes with. There's 11. That's the highest number so far. Oh, that's a decent size, decent weight in that instruction booklet. I'll have a look at that in more detail. Strings. 12, right, 12 bags. Number 1. Seven. And these black tubes, which I think are the cables to from the guitar to the amplifier. And that's it. So it looks like 12 bags in total. Three's a small bag. 8, 9, 10, 11. There we go. There's the contents. As you can see, we've got 2 sticker sheets. One is one large Fender sticker, and the other has multiple stickers on there. The instruction booklet, as always with these 18 plus sets, they put a lot of time and effort into capturing some of the history of the build that will take place, and this one's no different. The beginning of a new era in music history. I remember when I was a young teenager, my sister was into music, and we had a guitar like this, and it was it wasn't playable. We actually had to do it up, and I remember assisting her with it or something. I may not have done actually much at all, but it was very similar to this guitar here. Build your own icon, some official Lego images. And here it is in yellow, which isn't an option, but from the fan designer. Meet the fan designer. If parallel lives exist, I'm definitely building with Lego bricks all day long somewhere. Wouldn't we all love that? And then we get into the build here. So there we have it. That's the unboxing of the Lego Fender Stratocaster. Next, I'll be doing the build and a formal review of the build, and I can't wait because I've already seen it on display and it looks fantastic.